Alright, so the next thing we need to do is adjust this 11 and 3/4 inches back to 12 feet. We're going to do that by clicking on the wall that we want to move out, and then this turns blue, and we can change that to 12 feet. And press enter. And that adjusted that. The next thing we're going to do is to add our doors and windows. So we can do that by clicking door. And you'll see that there's one type of door here. We can load a lot more by going up to the bar here, load family, double click on doors, and we can find a door here that it wants us to use. I think it's probably one of these single panels. Let's go look in the directions real quick. In the mode pane, let's go down to the doors family, single panel door type. So we go back in there, and there's our single panel. I would say you can pick any one of these that you like. I particularly like this one. We can hit open. And it'll take it a second to load. And you'll see now that I have the single panel 4. And I can click on this wall that I'm going to put this door into. And the doors will actually cut the wall open. Okay. Next thing we can do is we can move where this door is located by clicking on it. You see these little blue dots, and we'll move that. This is always measured. Doors and windows are measured to the center of doors and windows. So we could change this. We can make this 5 feet in from that interior wall, and you can adjust these and move them around in that manner. To load a window, you click window. We can load a bunch. I'm just going to use this default fixed one just to do this real quick and finish it up. And there's our 2 windows. And once again, you can modify where those are placed. One thing I do want to note is that if you click on this, you see the little double windows. This is the interior face on this in this manner. So we want those blue arrows to be on the inside of the windows or inside of the room after that. Alright, so that's all for doors and windows.